Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, we're going to be going over the video ads carpet bomb strategy and how that works. This is a strategy that you can use with Facebook ads and videos to get more local clients for the agency or for the customers that you work with. So if you run an agency, you're working with like lawyers or car dealerships or chiropractors, plumbers, etc., you can run this video ad strategy to get more clients for them. Now you can charge per lead, you can charge as part of just your monthly services. And also you can do this even to get your own clients. If you want to target a very specific area, this strategy will work to get your own clients as well. Now it's divided into two parts here. You're going to have an ad one where what you want to do is just target everyone in a specific area. For example, we could open up Ads Manager and target everyone within, say, the city of Pittsburgh within 10 miles. Ages 25 to 65. So there's a very, pretty big demographic, like 90,000 people or something like that. And then in ad two, we're going to do more detailed targeting where we're going to, target, say, for example, just men who are interested in one certain activity, who are maybe, single if they're divorced. And this is like, say, for example, we were running this for a lawyer client or a divorce lawyer client. What you want to do is run an ad about their services to everyone in the area, even women, even if it's like a divorce lawyer for men, even run it to women, and then go back and retarget just to a specific audience. You might be wondering, well, isn't that wasting money? Why do that strategy? Well, it turns out with the Facebook algorithm, if you pick a very targeted audience right off the bat, like something like 20,000 and below, the ad doesn't really run as well. So you have trouble competing against other companies who have a lot bigger audience because Facebook wants to monetize that, and there's more data for it to work with in their algorithm. So what this does is it allows you to kind of brand the business, especially something for like restaurants where potentially everyone could go there, and then do some discounted deals like a happy hour if it's someone who's single. If it's a family, then like a family dinner coupon special, target people who have families and children, and divide up different ads that way in ad number two. So what you want to do first is open up Ads Manager here. You want to go to create a new campaign. Now I'd recommend for the first ad doing traffic. You can also do video views if you're using a video, which I recommend. And then for the location here, you're going to just type in one city that you want to target for the client you're working with. We have 25 selected, so maybe 14 or 10 depending on the local business. Target 25 to 65, and then we're looking at not up to 90,000. So that's a good range there. Potential reach 700,000 people. Maybe we want to target it a little bit more, especially if it's like a dealership they have to drive to or something like that, or a restaurant. So maybe even make this a little bit smaller. But that's something we're looking for here is something 100,000 around there. Not too targeted, but at the same time, you don't want it so big that your ads you're going to just pay for ads that no one's going to click or go to. Then for your ad in the landing page, what you need to do is do just a quick video ad to something where like you can use images and text. Just you can quickly substitute text for images and those type of social ad creator type tools. That allow you to create ads, in 5 minutes or something like that. It doesn't have to be something fancy where you're hiring a full video ads firm to do. There's plenty of tools that let you create ads in, a couple minutes or so with done for you templates. But, don't just send them to a website for your client. Have some sort of landing page that structures the offer in the first place, because you do want to get some people paying from this first ad. You don't want to just waste money. This is especially important if you're communicating a specific incentive to test the effectiveness of the campaign. So like, family dinner night for a certain restaurant, or for a lawyer, we specialize in divorce for men, or we're basically lawyers for men, something like that. Communicate why they should call you in the first place. And then you need to make sure that you're running it at $100 a day. So if we go down here to budget and schedule, make sure we have this at $100 a day for Facebook to really optimize it and use the data. Now, once you have that started, you uploaded your video here in the identity. You chose a single video. You uploaded your video here. You had like a quick headline, and then this is the URL of the client here. Then what you're going to do is make sure that you have your pixel pasted onto their website on the landing page it's going toward. Now you can go up here to where it says the different navigation, and make sure you go to pixels here. click on the default pixel, and then go to setup. And make sure that you have this a pixel code installed. Now, what you can do is just click manually install the code. And then you just want to copy this code here. I'm sure you probably know how to do this by now, I hope. And paste it into the header section of the website. So if you're using a page builder, build it, paste it into where it says it puts the header script. If it's like an HTML page, then make sure it goes similar to here where it's like the closing head tag. Make sure this Facebook pixel is on their site, so it's going to capture the data of everyone who's going toward the site. You're going to insert the pixel on their landing page. Then you're going to follow up with a number of specific ads, just targeting one specific interest or one specific targeted demographic. So, for example, for our lawyer example, we ran a general ad about the brand awareness about this law firm that opened up in Pittsburgh. Now we're going to target a specific demographic. In this case, we can target maybe men who are going through a divorce and they need a divorce attorney. So men 30 to 45, single with children, and then if it's like a high kind of end lawyer, then maybe something where they have like a corporate job and they're making $100K. So that's a very, very, so the audience is going to drop to like 10,000 or 5,000 even from our 10,000 base audience. But that's okay. Now that we have the data, and the ad is going to perform a lot better now that we have specific people that Facebook can target from their, because we captured their data with the pixel. And then we're going to run an image ad with some sort of call to action, like, take advantage of this coupon code today, or, call us now for a money back guarantee unless we get results for you. Or, call today, you can say 30% on your closing fee if we win the case for you. Something like that, where there's some sort of incentive for them to call now with like a discount and a coupon. You don't need to run another video ad because they already know your brand from the first video ad. You just need something for them now to pick up the phone and call and start generating the lead. So overall, that's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to use. First, you're going to run like a general brand awareness ad with a video, something very simple that you can create with like a templates creator. Video templates creator. Make sure it's $100 a day. Looking for something like 100,000 people audience to run it to at least. Then go back and optimize for specific demographics and specific interests. For example, now we're going to target just like people looking for divorce attorneys. Maybe you can target people who are in a traffic accident. Maybe people getting married or elderly looking to create their will or something like that. Then run your specific ads there, and you can generate more targeted leads, and the ads can perform a lot better. So hopefully this carpet bomb strategy helped. Go ahead and try it out, and then I'll see you in another training video soon.